In this video, I'm going to show you how to write 3D text in Revit. So the first thing you have to do is place the model text. Now you want to go to architecture up top, and here you can see model text. Now we can do this in 2D view or in 3D view as well. I'm going to switch to 3D so we can of course see in live time, or of course live, how it's changing. So you want to go to view, and then of course here click on default 3D view, and I'm just going to save this project really quickly. And there we go, we have our 3D view here of my sample project. Then I'm just gonna go here to architecture, click on model text, and I'm just going to type in whatever text I want to put on. So this one is just gonna be tutorial, and I'm gonna click OK. Now as you can see, it's next to my mouse cursor. I can just click anywhere I want, and I can position it like that. There we go, and this is my 3D text. Now I can now click on it and then go over here to properties, where if I click on the edit type button, I can go and change the text size. So for example, if I go and change this like that, for example, hit apply, there we go, it's going to change the size. You can also make it bold, italic, whatever, and here you have some other settings as well. Okay, so hit the apply button, click OK, and the first part has been done. Now over here on the left, you can of course see different materials as well, so you can put on like a material if you wanna. So if I click on that, I could put on something random. So for example, if I want to make it like, let's find something interesting here, we're going to do, let's just do like this brick over here or something. I'm gonna click on the OK button, and then of course you'll be able to see this if you actually switch this to realistic down here at the bottom, and there we go, we have some brick text. Now I'm gonna click on it, and if you want to change the depth of it, you can see it over here. That's going to give you that 3D effect. Click on the apply button, and here we go, this is now our 3D text over here, and that's really how easy it is. Now you do have some other settings over here on the left which you can change if you want to, but that's essentially how to get or write 3D text in Revit. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.